Here is 303 Lori Lane on December 17th, 2013. Walk in, big living area, kitchen, dining room, walking towards the bedrooms. There's the master bedroom. Pretty large, brand new tile floors. And here's a closet here. Here's bedroom number 2. Good size closet. And here's the bathroom. Granite counters, new light fixtures, new plumbing. New plumbing here as well. Going back out into the hall, looking at the living room and the entry again. Going over to the kitchen. Granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, travertine tile black splash, plenty of cabinet space. 2-inch blinds throughout, 2-inch blinds over there as well, brand new ceiling fans. And then we go outside, onto the patio. Large backyard, fully fenced, huge patio. And there you have it. Done. For insurance purposes. December 17th, 2013.